Hey, what is up guys? New tech begins here. This micro SD card of 64 gigabyte. It has got 80 megabytes per second. It's ultra fast. And now is the time to buy these because they are ultra cheap. Like before they were 50 or 100 bucks. Now it's like 20 bucks you can get one of those. So I highly recommend them. If you do not have them yet and you've got an Android phone, go ahead and buy these cards because they are always handy to have. This is a 10 times speed full HD video, and yeah, it's really nice. Let's go ahead and let's see what's on the back. If I can read it, it's very small written. Okay, so let's try to read what it says on the back of this SanDisk Ultra. It's got 1 gigabyte, 1 billion bytes, actual storage.
Stockage, even heel minder mooi, het zich gespeicherd voor de mixer, ja hier. Dus ik heb een inderdaad, Gonzalo. Werkelijk gebruiksopslag is minder, to 18 speed can be lower based on internal testing. Okay, well, it's full HD support may vary. It's got also card only, waterproof, temperature proof, shock proof, X-ray proof, carte uniquement résistance à l'eau, aux températures extrêmes, au choc et au rayon X. Solo schede, impermeabile, resistente all'alta temperatura di urti ai raggi X. Nur carte, wasserdicht, temperaturbeständig, stoßfest, röntgensicher, solo tarjeta impermeabile e prueba de temperaturas extremas a prueba de globos e prueba de rayos X. And also in Russian, which I cannot read, sorry, but hey. And also in Dutch, alleen kaart, waterbestendig, temperatuurbestendig, schokbestendig, bestand tegen röntgenstraling. Go to www.sandisk.com/proof. Alright, SanDisk, trademarks of SanDisk Corporation, blah, blah, blah. Got the SanDisk SDXC1 logo, MicroSDXC1, the Android puppet, Communauté Européenne, FC, this mark here, brand PB, and this one here.
And then it's got 10 years of warranty. Really? Wow, that's nice. Made in China, 64 gigabytes. And alright, let's go ahead and let's open this puppy up. Let's put it right here. Alright, you can just do like this. It should come out by itself, just like that. And here we have our SanDisk. Zoom it in for you guys. 64 gigs of MicroSD card XC1. Alright. Alright, that concludes this video for today. Stay well, peace out.